say anything. It's just hard to be a self-starter. Let me try to be my better self. Excuse me. I have made it a little bit too organized, so I cannot find the rubber band. This makes me proud. I am not in the best mood, but seeing this brightened me up a little bit. Another good news, almost finished, so I can buy a new one. I have waited so long until it, not too long actually. I use it quite that's better. I use it quite vigorously, quite cautiously. It's hard to get self-starting. I'm kind of scared if I do not have a job. Because in life, there are ups and downs. If you do your own business, there are ups and downs. You never feel stable. You never feel you can lean on anything. Don't you think so? The curse of self-starter, no, the curse of independenter. And just quite hard to be always in a good mood. So yesterday I had some problem with my online shop. I think it's not yet resolved, just yet. And I was not in the best mood. And then I talked to my family. My son said, such is life. It is the problem make our life fun. If without problems, life will be boring. I am so touched, inspired by this word, by this comfort. It is so very true. So have an open heart and always ready and always expect problems is the right attitude we should have. And I do not have that right attitude. Or maybe because I am too spoiled, my life is too comfortable, too smooth, and this is why I look for trouble so much, right? I do not have enough trouble, I am looking for trouble, which is quite an empty talk, right? Don't think too much. All these things are in your mind. All these are in your mind. You are having a problem, you are stressed. It's a lie. You lie to yourself. If you decide, you will not be overtaken by this. If you decide, you can be strong or not even to be strong. If you decide, you live with all these problems, imperfections. Let me try this. I have never tried this. If you decide this is okay, it could be okay. Oh my goodness, the reflection, oh my goodness, what I'm doing here. I was like a light bulb. Oh, this is not good. Ah yeah, the light is reflecting. Oh, I do not like it at all. At all. Maybe a bit distanced. Oh my goodness, what joke I am making. I think it's because of the light. Without the light, it's maybe I should even out a little bit, put some more here and there. What is going on? Let me wear my glasses to see the funny self. This is so strange. Yeah, have some silliness in life, because if you do not, life can be pretty heavy. If you always think about negative things, if I always think about negative things, as I am doing right now, as thinking to be the best self, then you always feel that you are not as good as you want, as you expect. Let's shake off that feeling. Let's shake off that feeling. I'm okay. I go to look for something and I'm strong, I'm good. How do they do it? I am good. I should make this as the thumbnail of the video. Ah. Yeah, I think by being just a teeny tiny little bit silly, already lighten up a little bit of myself. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Another thing I want to tell you. Some friends say, Haiying, you look a little bit younger now. You see, when you have your hair fall down, your muscle and your skin is relatively loose. There is nothing to tighten it up. Don't you think so? This looks older. And if you lift it up and strongly tie it, I feel, when I see mirror, I feel this looks younger because your skin is tied up. This is a $1,000s operation, and you can do it with just one rubber band. Very